How to mute TikTok when opening app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can mute TikTok when we're opening the app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually mute TikTok whenever you're opening the app, so let's say whenever you open it up you want to mute the TikTok application, right? So you can simply come to the profile tab, tap on the arrow option here, then tap on the gear icon that you can find there. Then once you tap on the gear icon over there, over here you can simply go to playback. Under playback you can select this option called open TikTok on mute. So videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. You can tap to unmute the videos or use your device's volume controls if you want to. But to give you a rough idea, this is how you can go ahead and then basically mute TikTok whenever opening it. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.